collect the check for an amount of USD 10,000 from Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, Honorable Minister of Youth Affairs and Sport. What a moment it is for her. We once again call up the captain of Team India on the stage to receive the Bihar Women's Asian Champions Trophy Rajgir, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, Honorable Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Dato Tayyab Ikram, President International Hockey Federation. And this is the moment India was waiting for. The defending champions did it again. Ladies and gentlemen, cheer again for Team India! Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing tournament this has been for the fans and for the teams. On behalf of Government of Bihar, Hockey India and the Asian Hockey Federation, we thank you all for your support and have a safe journey home.
India are in celebration, and why wouldn't they be? Their first major title in the reign of Harendra Singh, who took over the team in a difficult period of transition. Remember, this is a side that did not make it to the Paris 2024 Olympics, and here you have someone who comes back in the thick of things. A man who has coached the Indian men's side in the past as well. A man who was until recently the coach of the USA men's side. But Harendra Singh has gathered this young and vibrant Indian outfit and galvanized them into the first of what promises to be many, many more laurels. And what a victory, what a first milestone here for this Indian outfit. Mission LA 2028 is what the official name on the social media groups of these players are. And that mission has seen a very successful milestone along the path. They are building up to the 2026 Asian Games as well. There is of course the World Cup to play for, but right now they will savor this victory. And it's come after blood, sweat and tears. There's a lot of toil that's gone behind the scenes, and the Indian women will now earn a well-deserved break before the Asia Cup, before the Hockey India League, prior to that. But surely this Indian women's team has turned a corner. They have found the winning momentum under a new captain, the young Salima Tete, whose maturity and wisdom belies her age. This is a unit that's come together as one. Be it Deepika, be it Neha, be it Pichu Devi Kharibam, Sangeeta Kumari, Vaishnavi Falke, Udita. They all play as one. It's one for all and all for one. And Deepika, she will cherish this award. She has been plagued by injuries in recent time. But look at how well she has bounced back. Look at the smiles that this team has put on the faces of the adoring crowd in Rajgir. Savita, the senior statesperson, who's still in charge, who's still handling the duties of grooming the next rung of goalkeepers. The crowd has been electric. The crowd in Rajgir has been the 12th player off the field to ensure that this team receive the catalyst in support. Champions they are, unbeaten they have been through the tournament, and blemishless has been their performance. They have conceded only 2 goals in this competition, and a word of praise for the support staff as well. There is Lucas, and there is of course a lot of support from the analysts as well. And there is Prakasam, the analyst in the middle of your screen. Harendra Singh doing well to give them their time under the spotlight. What an atmosphere. What a memorable evening this has been in Rajgir. The Indian team has notched up their second successive title. We thank you for your company. We thank you so much for joining us over these last 10 days. And thank you from Ayush and Arun here. Take care and good night.